We found Elegance at NT Trading after searching many different places, and the moment we walked in there, we found our place to buy our stone. I'm a customs broker. I've been doing this for 41 years, and my husband and I decided to build our home. We took on this huge project which most people would not take on. We were at the final stages of picking out our stone and our interior stone, and we wanted to give some type of a classic look. We had our architect, we had some advice from some designers, some architects, and we purchased this Antico travertine. Elegance was very useful with showing a lot of designs that they used in previous homes. Also on their website was very helpful, so we were able to at least share it with our architect and designer. Their showroom also was very unique because they actually show larger than just a sample. So with having the actual view of a large board to really see the patterns and the colors was very important for us. Elegance allowed us to see the actual end product almost in a full form.